In this video, we will look at the indifference approach and a price change. This story was recently featured in Business Day. MTN fined 5 million rand for tripling WhatsApp data bundle prices. So the prices of data increased. So let's assume you have data on your y-axis and airtime on your x-axis, and these are the two choices of goods and services. You have a utility curve, U1, that shows you the different combinations of the same level of satisfaction, remember, and you have your budget line. So you can either buy 200 minutes of data or 10 gigabytes, 200 minutes of airtime or 10 gigabytes of data. This consumer, given his utility curve and budget line, ends up at point A, which is the point of tangency between the utility curve and the budget line. This consumer then consumes 6 gigabytes of data and 100 minutes of airtime. However, if we now assume that MTN increases the price of data, but the price of airtime remains the same, it means we will have an inward tilt of the budget curve like that. You can now still buy 200 minutes of data, airtime, or 7 gigabytes of data. However, point A, where we used to consume, is now no longer viable because our budget does not allow it. That means we have to shift our utility curve. Remember, utility curves cannot cross or intercept, and they are parallel to each other. So we shift our utility downwards to a new point of tangency with our new budget curve, like for example at point B. Here we buy 80 minutes of data, 80 minutes of airtime, and 5 gigabytes of data.